I built a firewood truck. I created something that might actually be useful. Who knew? Ginormous, honking, big, mountainous log that you want to lift to the back of your truck. Works flawlessly. Jacking the log off. And I proved it works by taking it to the mountains. There was no struggling at all. I want to make that very clear. Yeah. Anyway. You know how I said there was no struggling involved? I lied. I spent an hour trying to haul this tree out so I didn't look like an idiot on camera.
That was holding me up.
You're probably saying, well, that's smaller than I thought it would be. I had to cut it in half to get it out, okay?
Down, so I'm going to try to take this too so I don't have to fell another tree. So the plow has two purposes. First, it's for pushing all your junk off the road. You don't have to spend half an hour clearing it by hand. And second, see how this log, it's in my way. I got to get to the other log. Watch this. See, now it's not in the way. Genius. I'm a genius. Now I can get to my other log. I'm sure you're sitting there whining, thinking, oh, why are you getting white fur? Blah, 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 blah. Go cry about it. Jacking the log off. Got my little marker.
Using the log jack is the fastest way I've found. Half of the tree is up in the air and you can go through and buck that half real quick. And the last half you go and make your cuts most of the way through. Then drop the log to the ground, roll it over, then finish off the cuts.
As you can see, I got rid of half the tree up on the hill because of the other half was rotted out. This log right here is actually spruce, but that doesn't matter. We're only looking to get a little bit for an outdoor fire pit.
And one of my favorite parts is I just love to hear the peaceful sounds of nature as I load my truck.
And now people can drive around. I'm a genius. Whole ass tree, watch this. Woo! I'm using my genius. Angle them all, so now I don't have to put a strap on. Watch this. I'm gonna use my plow, push all that brush off in one sweep. So Richard, the Forest Service guy, can't get to me anymore. Ha! Take that, Richard, the Forest Service guy. Try to get me a ticket now. And you're probably thinking, why is there a giant ass toolbox in the back of the truck? I can explain that. Because if you want more wood, you just bring a trailer that can hold 2 cords, and of course it's a dump trailer, so you just load it up and then you don't have to unload it. You just push a button and it dumps all of it out. Is genius, and this way you can hold all your tools, all your saws and everything, because it's a stupid single cab. Now this winch right here is for when you want to take that toolbox in and out of the back of your truck, or when you find a huge, enormous, honking, big, mountainous log that you want to lift to the back of your truck but don't feel like breaking your spine and every other bone in your body. Works flawlessly. Now my spine is perfectly healthy. You got the plow, so you can push all the brush off the road in record time, and you can push trees off to the side of the road. And you got the winch, so you never have to get out of the cab. Button, down she goes, up she goes. You've got the steel bumper, so you can run into things and not give a crap. You got towing points on both sides, more hooks, more cables. You got everything to sharpen your saw in that box. Then of course you stick your saw right here, pinch it down, sharpen your saw right there. You got a bucket, because why not? I like buckets. I don't even know what's in that box, I'll be honest. A chain holding box, and of course you got the massive steel I-beam bumper, so you can back into things and not give a crap. It's genius.